This is Sean D. Tucker, and off his wing, Johnny D. They've had 120 practice flights to prepare for this moment right now, but it doesn't mean they're warming up. No, they're coming to you with a lot of power, a lot of passion, a lot of precision, pulling up to the vertical. After a beautiful quarter clover up, they're going into one gigantic loop for San Francisco. Folks, what do you think so far? Team Oracle. It's a bittersweet flight today for Sean D. Tucker, as today is Sean Tucker's final solo aerobatic performance over the skies of San Francisco right now. But don't worry, because next year he'll be back, if you'll have him, San Francisco, in a formation act known as Team Oracle. This right now is just a little teaser of what next year is all about. Both pilots in a few moments will be taking their turns to dazzle you with aerobatic maneuvers, starting with Sean D. Tucker and then Johnny D. And this afternoon, in an hour from now, Sean D. Tucker will be dropping into the box for his final solo performance as an aerobatic performer here at San Francisco. You don't want to miss it. Folks, this is what team formation flying is all about. Glued to each other's wing despite their different airspeed, fuel requirements, two different aircrafts, and now splitting off to the right. Johnny D will hang out behind the box as Sean D. Tucker commands the stage, pulling up to that vertical, only to drop back down into the box. Hang on, San Francisco, you're in for one wild ride. Drops into the box, pulling snap roll after snap roll. That's a signature figure. We call this one the centrifuge. Point rolls across the box, returning to the sky, straight into 2.5 outside snap rolls, into a front flip. That's it. Tumbling out of that maneuver, inverted. Yeah, you're looking at that plane right. He is upside down. There's a lot of blood going to his head, hanging from those shoulder straps. He eases off the pressure right now. Returning back to the sky for another original maneuver. This is the Huli loop. One gigantic loop, starts as an inside loop, tumbles at the top, and turns it into an inverted loop. Starting now, 6.5 positive G's are trying to throw Sean out of his own cockpit. This is the Huli loop. Ouch! Man, that's gotta hurt. This guy is tough. And so is that biplane, whipping around 1,225 pounds of aircraft. This plane carries serial number 1, not another like it on the planet, weighing in at 1,225 pounds, powered by 400 horsepower. This is the Oracle Challenger 3. Returning to the sky right now, another original maneuver. This is the double hammerhead. Nose perfectly vertical, comes to a stop in the sky. That's a little stick, hard rudder. That's one. That's two consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. That's the double hammerhead, folks. Pushing it again right now. Staring the bay in the face and pulling 8 positive G's right now. I know what you're thinking. How does this guy handle all this pressure? Well, simple answer, he's absolutely ripped. You can't beat this guy in a pull-up competition. He exercises religiously 6 days a week. Summited 4 of the 7 summits. But he still calls himself a beginning mountaineer. This is Sean D. Tucker. And again, this is just his teaser sequence. You gotta stick around in 1 hour for his final solo performance here at San Francisco Fleet Week. Climbing back up to the sky for a maneuver that will require all of his focus. This, folks, is the world's smallest inside loop. Focusing in right now, coming, stopping in the sky, pulling hard on that stick, and he does it, folks. It's the world's smallest inside loop. He is pushing his limits, pushing his flying machine. He is living with passion. San Francisco, make some noise for Sean D. Tucker. going to need a little help to introduce this next pilot to the stage.
United's first flight here was in 1927 from Chicago to San Francisco. Let me tell you a little bit about your